Hi, Romina is here. Today I'm going to share with you an easy and simple card that you can make in 5 minutes. I will using the Valentine Puppy stand set, which come with coordinate dies. All the materials I will using are listed below in the video description. I want to show you my favorite technique is tone on tone. This very easy to make. You can create everything you want. It's a good technique if you have any card to give in 5 minutes. The first things I do is blending my distress outside. Then I use an stencil because I want to make tone on tone. This technique is very funny, it's very easy. I really love make a lot of examples because it's so easy to make a card. Use different design. You can see the beautiful design you can create with tone on tone. This is beautiful. I don't know how to say that, but it's really beautiful. I'm going to use my alcohol marker for coloring. I will use an ink that allows me to work with them without any issues. Remember, I use Valentine Puppy stand set. They have a die coordinate. But you see in that step I use my scissors because I don't know, I really love use my scissors, but you have the coordinate die if you want to buy 2 elements for make any project do you want. I leave the music play so you can enjoy watch me color the stamp. I will start assembling the card but cutting all the papers I need for this project. One of my favorite tools when I'm working on any project is tweezers. They are indispensable eating for me. I don't know if I say good indispensable, but it's like you understand. Sorry. I don't like leave detail and finish on the card, so I click in to the ending to cover the white of the paper. The version fine on its black is my favorite ink when I have to stamp the sentiment. You can see the perfect black when you stamp this set. Is beautiful, really beautiful. I put all my elements in this card so I can finish my design. It's really funny and easy to make this card. You have to try because it's very funny make card. It's a beautiful gift to make. So this is the card I prepared for you today. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe the Pixi Dust Design channel. So I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.